Captain's log. So I've just been up the top of that waterfall. It was very treacherous. I was standing on slimy rock and the local guy wasn't very happy. However, I managed to arse my way down and I've now come down river, through the boulders, onto this big motherfucker here. Bit of a big rock here. But then down here, further south, we've got the Vietnamese guy. Say hi! Hello! Food! Food! And then there's our gang there. Hiya! Zoom in there. Leanne and Ben. Sorry about the shaky camera work. Can't do the zooming in and out very well. Awesome. Oh.